Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. In this video, you will see the conversation between doctor and patient. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started.
Excuse me.
Yes, please, take a seat.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Samar.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
What is your problem?
I have a runny nose.
Let me examine you. Take this syrup twice a day and get some rest and avoid cold items.
Thank you, doctor. How much shall I pay?
200 rupees.
So friends, hope you learned how to describe your illness. See you soon in my next video. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay tuned.